Hello, I'd like you to join me today on a trip to the factory of the future, where we will use brief examples to show you in 5 simple steps how the end-to-end digitization of linear motion technology is taking hold in Rexroth. This makes your processes considerably simpler and faster and ultimately shortens the off-sited time to market. From configuration and ordering through to startup, use during operation, diagnostics and maintenance, we support you with software tools, online services, intelligent systems and integrated sensors. And all this throughout the entire life cycle. I will now demonstrate the advantages of end-to-end digitization in our multi-axis system. Time is money, in engineering too. Rexroth has therefore already substantially simplified the first step, product selection and sizing. With our integrated online tools, you can configure linear axis and entire multi-axis systems much more easily and faster. Design engineers just enter the travel profile and immediately receive a completely configured multi-axis system with all the components and connections. And if you want to incorporate this generated digital twin into a simulation, then that can be done too. Since the data generated in the configurator are complete in every detail, you can also order the products easily with one click. Almost instantly, we have received your order, commissioned the complete system, packaged and sent it to you. In addition, you can track the order status in future too. All system data is also available for the startup, including all axis parameters. For you as the operator, this means you just need to plug in the multi-axis system to the cabinet, and you are done, without data input, without any sources of error. The axis parameters are always available, whether in the motor encoder, the integrated measuring system, or in the digital nameplate, regardless of whether you're working with Rexroth or third-party products. All relevant parameters are fully automatically transmitted to the drive system. This saves a lot of time and minimizes errors during startup and maintenance. The machine at work. Here we take a peek into the future during operation. In the factory of the future, sensors will constantly determine all the operating and environmental conditions of all the machine modules. The linear motion technology lies closest to the product and therefore plays a key role. Integrated sensors measure all operating conditions, such as the temperature or vibrations. Intelligent servo motors not only drive but also perform sensor functions. Additional external sensors can be attached to the machine and connected via open interfaces. All data converges in the IoT gateway and is therefore centrally available. For analysis, the data can be automatically forwarded to cloud services, such as Odin from Rexroth. All key figures, such as machine availability, quality or efficiency, flow into your OEE data in real time. As a result, you are always well informed wherever you are and can thus react quickly for maximum productivity. Even if there is a drop in performance, you benefit from the consistent digitization of the Rexroth linear motion technology. The evaluation of the sensor information automatically provides information on the necessary maintenance and repair tasks. For a quick help, how-to videos are available, as are instructions that are individually tailored to the axes. You can also immediately find the nearest Rexroth service partner via the contact finder. They remotely check the axis data and analyze the problem. This means that everything keeps running and your production is always available. The digital nameplate contains the parts list for the axes. Relevant spare parts are directly displayed in the Rexroth online shop and can be ordered with just a few clicks. So, that was our trip to the factory of the future. Across the 5 stations, from configuration to maintenance, the digitization of linear motion technology is enabling Rexroth to tap previously unused potential to increase productivity and flexibility in day-to-day operations. With our mini factory here, we would like to demonstrate how we support you along the entire process chain, both today and in the future, with solutions that are already partially available, about to be released, or give an outlook of what will come in the next few years. For an increasingly shorter time to market and ever-improving productivity in future, to ensure business booms.